Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Biopower 11. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of the heart, human heart. In my previous video I have shown you how to draw the human heart. Now today we will see about the structure of the human heart. See, you can see the upper two chambers, that is the right auricle and the left auricle. They receive blood from various parts of the body and also from the lungs, that we will see which auricle, this left auricle gets the blood from the lungs and the right auricle gets blood from all parts of the body. How is the blood oxygenated, deoxygenated, वो हम बाद में देखेंगे. लेकिन अपर टू चेम्बर्स जो है वो है रिसीविंग चेम्बर्स. ये है राइट ऑरिकल एंड दिस इज़ द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल ऑरिकल. ये दोनों ही स्मॉल इन साइज है. और यहाँ पे है राइट वेंट्रिकल एंड लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. दे आर getting the blood, receiving the blood from the auricles, upper chambers, and then they distribute it to various parts of the body. ये भी हम बाद में देखेंगे. But first about the structure. और एक बात, जो राइट ऑरिकल राइट वेंट्रिकल है, जो हम लोगों का उल्टा साइड में मार्क किया हुआ है इन द डायग्राम, एंड हियर दिस इज़ द राइट साइड बट वी हैव मार्क्ड इट एज द लेफ्ट साइड. This happens when we are drawing the human organs on the paper. That is, our right hand side is marked as left hand side and the left hand side is marked as the right side of the diagram. Now this heart is conical in shape. या तो हम लोगों का ये फीस्ट ऐसे मुट्ठी कर लेंगे तो इसका जो डायमेंशन है हम लोगों का हार्ट इतना ही होता है. और दिस इज़ कॉनिकल इन शेप. ये इसका पॉइंटेड एंड है, एपिक्स है, and it is present in the chest cavity just above the diaphragm. ये diaphragm ऐसे होता है, and you all know that in the chest cavity there is the ribs, there is the lungs. So between the two lungs this heart is present. on right on top of the diaphragm, ये diaphragm है, और इसके नीचे है abdominal cavity जहाँ पे abdominal organs होते हैं. and there are two protective membranes of the heart that we tell as pericardium. इसको बोलते हैं pericardium. और pericardial fluid is present in between the pericardial membranes so as to give protection to the heart from shocks and jerks, and also as it is expanding and contracting, contracting during heartbeats. So these two chambers, they receive blood from various parts of the body, right auricle or left auricle. And below we have the right ventricle and the left ventricle. They distribute blood to different parts of the body. And left ventricle, याद रखना कि students, they are very big. It has got highly muscular walls and it is quite heavier in build than the right ventricle. And if you see over here, we have got the internal structure. It is showing the valves, it is showing the arteries and the veins that is leaving and entering the heart. But also one more thing you have to take note, that the right side is shown in blue color, that is the blood flowing over here is blue in color, and the left side is red in color, just to distinguish that the right side of the heart has got the deoxygenated blood and the left side has got the oxygenated blood. However, due to the presence of this septum, that is the interventricular septum in between the ventricles और ऑरिकल्स के बीच में भी सेप्टम है, जो वॉल है, डिवाइडिंग वॉल है, द डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड इन ह्यूमन्स नेवर मिक्स with the oxygenated blood. They are always in different chambers, and a heart plan is such that they will never mix. So I hope this part is clear with you. That is the structure of the heart. There is the four chambers, total 4 chambers. The upper chambers, the right auricle atrium or the left auricle atrium, and the right ventricle and the left ventricle, separated by intraventricular septum. The ventricles and the auricles also separated by the septums. It has got a pericardial membrane, double membrane, pericardial fluid is present in between it. And also, as I told, that the right side has got the deoxygenated blood and the left side has got the oxygenated blood. ठीक है, अब इसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि which blood vessels they enter the heart and what are the valves and what are their functions. इसके लिए हम लोग और एक वीडियो में जाएंगे. That's all for today. Click, share, subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.